How to enable new SoundCloud features and types notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable new SoundCloud features and types on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud, and here you will find it library here in the bottom corner, and then click in the top corner this one here, and then click settings and scroll down until you find this one, notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, new SoundCloud features and types. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.